guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this polished sausage beef for breakfast, and we're gonna put some eggs. But for now, that's the run I get from Costco, of course, and I already put 4 of those here, cooking in air fryer. Tastes delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna continue working on that. Okay, moving on. So these are the spices that I'm going to use for this breakfast, and of course our eggs. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so this is now our beef polish, and so I crack like 6 to 4, yeah, 6 eggs, and we're ready to cook. So we're just turning on our fire. And then just beating our egg, not too much, just a little. It looks like. So now we're just gonna saute that. Oops. Oops. As you can see, I already put the eggs. Like that. Lower your temperature. While you put your seasoning. First, we're gonna do this. Not too much. And then this. And this one comes with salt, so I'm just gonna put just a little bit because sausage is already salt in it. And then don't forget, the ground pepper always makes your food or breakfast taste good. Anything with eggs. And I'm just gonna continue moving it around. And now it looks like that. It looks delicious. This is done. So turning off. We are going to turn off the fire now. And so for Mr. Peringa, he prefer tortillas rather than white bread. So I'm gonna make his tortillas. Okay, so now we are ready to make the tortillas. We're gonna put like 3 and lower the temperature. This is our eggs and sausage, by the way. It looks delicious, huh? Oops. I have one hand cooking and one hand camera. And just like that, flipping until it's ready. It's okay. All right, I'll show you guys when it's done, okay? So here's my white bread. I did it like this because I want my mozzarella cheese to be melted. So here we go. So we are ready to eat breakfast.
Thank you for the breakfasting.
Sure, that's an egg and that's his
Breaking the fasting.
tortillas.
And this is how you eat a good breakfast taco.
That's his taco breakfast.
It's not taco breakfast, it's just a taco. Taco. It's just the art of put food on a tortilla. Una tortilla de tortilluki.
Mr. White,
What?
to me,
Hey, Mr.
I'm
White.
probably too busy with retirement.
Are you sure you want to put? You should try it first before you put the salt.
It's missing salt.
Messy.
Salt.
Thanks for watching.
Higher
Leave a
skin.
comment below.